What if I tell you there is a company which helps other people to build websites and apps and a lot more things? Yes, a company like Lovable which help you to build websites, apps and a lot more things is not secure. I found a really serious bug in this particular company which cost them real money. Yes, real money. I will show you how I found that bug and how that bug cost them real money. Not only that, if you are someone who is a software engineer or in the tech, there are a lot of important lessons here. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay, so the first question is how I found the bug in the company. So let me explain you the process step by step. So one day I'm just scrolling Twitter. Yes, and I found out that the company is running a discount. Yes, the company is giving a very important discount which is 100% discount on their monthly plan. Yes, now to clarify, this company is not Lovable or Bolt. I am talking about a different company. I can't disclose it here because of legal reason. I tried this particular discount to get a 1 month pro plan on their particular company website. But when I am doing the payment, I figure out something really cool. So here is like the monthly plan, this side, and this side, I can see all the card information from my side. And if you see here, you will see that there is a monthly plan which I can take, and after applying the discount it will cost me $0. While taking the 1 month pro, I thought let's try this particular discount on yearly plan, and instead of this monthly I tried yearly plan, and boom, the yearly plan is also zero. Yes, they have not implemented the discount very well. They have not covered all the edge guesses. Means if someone try to get the yearly plan and apply the same discount, they will entirely get a 1 year pro plan. Now what should be happen is that they should only get a 1 month plan, not a 1 year plan, right? But I am able to do that, and because of that the company lost $200 to $300 per account. Yes, per account. Can you understand the seriousness of this particular bug? And by the way, this is not just showing me in the front end. I'm able to get the pro, and I am using the pro from last few days, and it is really working. Of course, after that company fix it and make sure the particular discount is only applied to monthly, and if you apply that particular discount to yearly plan, you will get around like $20 discount. You have to pay the remaining amount, maybe $180. But here are very important lessons here, which if you are a software engineer, you must learn. First, it's not a code issue. If you think this particular issue is a code related, no, it's an engineering issue. Because even if you write the code using AI, you have to understand the edge cases as an engineer. You have to think for all the scenarios. Never ever trust the users. And if you are not an engineer or just a coder, you will assume that user will do whatever I am telling user to do it. But that's not the case. And for that, you need to be engineer. So even AI is writing code, engineering value will be always there. So whenever someone is saying you will be laid off and your job will go, you have to understand that if you are an engineer, your job is already safe. But if you are a coder, you have to think again, because AI can write the code at an infinite speed. And remind you, this company help you to build websites. This is not a company which is doing something else. This company is an AI company which is helping people to build website or apps. It is some kind of a vibe coding company, and they are making these mistakes. This company is really making good amount of money and really famous out there. And if this company can do these things, you can understand if you just vibe coded a website or app, you can also face these issues when it is scale. So that's my personal experience which I recently got, and I thought let's share it with the world so they understood why really engineering matters and why only code can't solve all the problems. And make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video so I get a signal that you want more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye.